In the following video, we're going to learn a theme from Beethoven's Ninth Symphony, Song of Joy or Ode to Joy. It goes something like this. We're going to learn it in two parts. Let's start with the first part. That's part A. We're going to play notes that we learned on the second string, and we're also going to use the first string also. So let's review some of those notes. We start off with string number 1. That would be a C. Then we have D, E, and F. Let's review the notes for string number 2. We have G, A, and B, right? This song starts in B. We're going to use finger number 3 to start. We're going to leave all of our fingers ready to play. We're going to leave them close by. We're going to make sure that our fingers are not all over the place here. So we're going to keep them close and nice and tight. So let's start. So we're going to do B, B. Okay, we're holding the beat just a bit because we have 2 half notes at the end of that phrase. So we go, we count 2, 3, 4. So we go. Now let's try that one more time. Let's go to part B. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, we have almost the same phrasing. The only thing that changes is that little part at the end where it goes. Same thing, the rhythm changes just a bit because we end in 2 half notes. Let's try part A and part B together without stopping. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, there's a few things that are going on that I want you to make sure you're doing. One of them is making sure that your pick is going up and down. Second, that your thumb is not above the neck. It's kind of centralized and your hand is nice and flexible. And number 3 is that your fingers are close to the fretboard, just ready to play. Each finger is ready to play. You're not using one finger to play all the notes, and you're using the tip of the finger also to play the notes, because if not, it's going to sound a little fuzzy and your fingers are going to hurt too. Don't do a lot of pressure, okay? Also, so go ahead and give this beautiful theme another try. Practice it a few times. You might want to start nice and slow, and little by little increase the speed until you're happy.